then slicing software operation and model printing. Click on the import icon at the top left to import the required files. After entering the file, you can place it in the object page. Click on the file and move, copy, rotate, and zoom. Switch to the Slide Software page to do slides. Click on Slide Settings on the left side of the page. You can make changes to the parameters. You have to click Save when you finish modifying, and then the modified parameters will be saved. If you need to add a new parameter page, you can click on Add and enter the parameter name to create a new parameter page. Other sections on parameter settings can refer to Slides configuration document. This demonstration will focus on the vase model. The parameters used are those provided by the software. In the right-hand side of the Slide Software page, it contains the print settings and the material settings. The parameters under print settings will correspond to print, where there is a drop-down menu with default parameters and new parameters. Note that on the right-hand side, the name of the parameter will correspond to the settings of print. Therefore, if you choose the default value in the print, you have to select default in parameter under print settings as well. Same in the material settings. The flow rate in the settings will correspond to the left material page. So if the default value is selected on the left, then the right side also needs to be selected by default. Please pay attention to the settings of the cartridge under material settings. Because the silicon used is 2-part LSR, it is necessary to choose 2-part LSR in the cartridge settings. After confirming the parameters, you can click on the Start Slicing button. The result of slicing will be displayed in the Preview tab. You can see the printing time, material consumption under Printing Statistics. You can also have different ways to visualize your model, including single layer or multiple layer. You can also choose Show Complete Layers to see the whole layers. So before we print, in order to put our release film into the platform, so we're going to lower the Z-axis platform almost 3 millimeters or so. So now we're going down 3 millimeters. And after we make sure that your print film will fit into the platform, we'll put it into the platform first. And then after we put it and fix it, we press the Home Z button again to return to 0. After that, we can start to print. After the slicing is done, make sure the silicone is at the end of the nozzle. Then before printing, go to Manual Control page and do pre-extrusion of material. That is, click on the positive value of extruder. It is important to make sure that both E and I are selected under extruder block, and then waiting for the material is extruded from the nozzle. When the material is extruded, if the extruded silicone shows a steady straight line and the nozzle is not blocked, then as long as the material flow is sufficient, you can start to print.